Hey everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we'll provide you with information on how to fix the "at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature" error on Instagram Live. This error typically occurs when you've violated community rules and have been temporarily banned. If you believe you haven't violated any rules or haven't been banned before, we'll guide you on what to do next. Since this error usually indicates a violation of community rules, the first step is to check your account status. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram application and access your profile. Tap the menu icon and click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and tap Account Status. If you see any issues with your account status, click on it and then click Request a Review. Note that it may take up to 180 days for violations to be removed. If the Instagram application is not up to date, you may encounter various errors, including this one. To ensure your app is updated, check if Instagram has received a new update by visiting the Google Play Store or App Store. Download any available updates for the Instagram app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature" error on Instagram Live. If you're still experiencing issues, feel free to mention them in the comments below.